Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to talk about something that has not existed yet, and that is going to be black mirror covers that are actually OEM fit, and they come black for the WK2 or Grand Cherokee models. This is something that a lot of people have always asked about and looked for, and usually you look on eBay and there's just like stick-on covers that are, you know, just bigger than the mirror, and they stick on with 3M tape. It's kind of cheap. Anyways, here it is. SPIEG. The numbers, found them on eBay. They're cheap, and let me get this off. First of all, they're gloss black, awesome, badass quality. They're plastic, yes, and look, they got all the tabs, so they have OEM fit. So, pretty dope if anybody's been wondering, oh, I really want to black out my mirrors, I don't want to do vinyl, and I don't want to buy those cheap things on eBay. Well, here it is. Finally, guys, look at that gloss finish. You can see me. Badass. I'm going to get those thrown up onto the Diesel Hawk. And yeah, guys, thanks for joining. This is just a quick video. I'll drop the links down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, and drop some comments down there. So you can replace these, pull your mirror all the way in, and then you peel from the inside out, and it pops out. You can let it hang, but you're gonna see all the clips in here that you'll need to pop out, and a couple are kind of back behind the back, and the hard one reaches down back over there. So you're gonna pop all these clips out, maybe get a flathead or a plastic pry bar to remove the cover. The hardest one to get to is this center one, which you can get to it from back down in there. Just kind of push your flathead through there. I kind of had bad luck with this side. However, it's ready to go on, so just kind of line it up and you're gonna pop it in place. All right, guys, there is a couple minor adjustments you're gonna need to make for fit and finish for this to fit properly. Here's the OEM cap, here's the aftermarket cap, and right away you'll notice these two don't belong there because the OEM one does not have that. So what you need to do is kind of maybe bend these things or use a X-Acto blade or something to kind of take them off, because if you don't, then you're not going to be able to get them to fit snug. But once you remove them, like me, I'm just kind of pushing back and forth on the tabs. I'm going to clean it up with a little blade. However, I had the other side fit just like this. It fits perfect on the seam. I might need to cut down the other side a little bit more, but it seems like it's almost an OEM fit. Seems just a little bigger on this side. Can barely tell. However, pops right in place perfectly. So that's how it looks. Okay, this is the final look at the mirrors. From the outside, they look awesome. They look great. Let's get to the bad. Fitment. So obviously, you got to clean them up, but this is how they're going to fit. It's not like perfect as OEM. It's super close. The tolerances are there. I mean, maybe if I shave a few more things off, the only thing is, like, even from the back, it kind of pops up a little on the sides and top. So it's almost like even having one of those covers, except the covers definitely are more noticeable from this side. You can tell that you have a cover because it'll be popped up the whole way around versus this being kind of a lot more snug. However, yes, the fit is just not exactly there, but what do you expect for it's not OEM? However, at least now we have something that is an aftermarket option for a gloss black replacement mirror. So yeah, guys, that's the video. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.